arrive at the airport. You see the check-in counter. Your heart beats fast. What do you say? Don't worry. Today, let's learn exactly what to say from check-in to your boarding gate. Let's follow a simple story. Imagine you are the passenger. Listen carefully. After each part, we will review useful phrases. Let's begin. Imagine this. You arrive at the check-in counter. The staff smiles and says, "Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?" You give your documents. You say, "Sure, here you go." The staff says, "Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today?" You answer, "Just one bag, please." The staff says, "Okay. Please put your bag on the scale." You put your bag on the scale. The staff says, "Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. You say, "Thank you very much." The staff says, "You're welcome. Have a safe flight." Let's look at two useful phrases. Can I see your passport and ticket, please? You will hear this at check-in. How many bags are you checking in? A common question about your luggage. Easy to remember, easy to use. A little later, you walk through security. The staff says, "Please put your bag on the belt and take off your shoes." You say, "Okay, no problem." You walk to your gate. You hear an announcement. Boarding for flight 202 is now open. You are not sure this is the right gate, so you ask, "Excuse me, is this the gate for flight 202? The staff checks and says, "Yes, this is the right gate. May I see your boarding pass?" You show your boarding pass. The staff says, "Thank you. Enjoy your flight." You say, "Thank you." Here are two more useful phrases. Is this the gate for flight? Ask this if you are not sure. Enjoy your flight. A friendly phrase you will hear before boarding. Let's remember all the phrases together. Can I see your passport and ticket, please? How many bags are you checking in? Is this the gate for flight? Enjoy your flight. Try to say these phrases out loud. Practice makes them easy. The airport does not need to feel scary. With just a few simple phrases, you can feel confident at any airport, anywhere in the world. Practice these phrases before your next trip. Small phrases, big confidence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.